Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sunita. I am from Uttar Pradesh. I am glad to see you here again. Whenever you come back to my channel, it feels I am talking to my own people. I hope you are all feeling positive and learning this beautiful language in a fun and simple way. This is day 2 of English practice with me. You can see this is morning time, and I think it is around 8 o'clock, and it is a deserted area. Deserted area means it is that type of place where no one sees, so I can say this is deserted area. There is no anyone, and I am recording my video. I feel scared when someone is seeing me, when someone is watching me. So, and I am unable to record my video that time, but at this time there is no anyone, and I am going to my my school where I teach. As I have told you that I am a teacher as well as a student, and I love to teach students. And yes, recently I have joined this school because I think everyone earn money. Everyone should earn money. Everyone wants to become independent. So, and I want to become independent daughter of my father, and I don't want to ask anyone for money. That is why I have joined this institute. And after joining this institute, I realized English is very important, and English is a very crucial language. That is why I am learning this language, and so I am recording my video because I want to improve myself. I want to become fluent in this language because where I teach, this school is English medium, and everyone speak English language, and there I am a teacher. That is why it is very necessary, it is very important to learn this language. So, and I am on the way, but it feels a little bit scared, and I record all video. Now I will record my rest part of video after some time. You can see this is evening time, and I am going to my house. I was out of my home near about 10 hours because I had some work. That is why I am late today. Friends, you can see I have reached at my home, and I am very happy. But I am feeling hungry. I am starving. That is why I am going to eat something. Do you know what? I am going to eat water balls. I love water balls. It's very tasty. Do you like water balls? If you like, write in the comment box you love water balls. Okay, and today I will give one vocabulary that is crucial. Crucial means important. That is very necessary. You can say crucial meaning important. So thank you very much for watching my video, and remember, if you are new here, if If first time you are watching my video, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next video.